Hello my creative people, welcome to my Diwali makeup tutorial. I would like to wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Here is my simple yet elegant look, so let's get started. For the primer, I have used Fashion Color Makeup Primer. I always love to prime my face using my fingers, and do not forget priming your neck. Once that settles in, applying L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour foundation using an oval foundation brush. For the concealer, I am using ADS 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Using the stick to conceal my under eye, forehead, nose and chin. Blend in very well. For the eyebrows, I just like to fill in the gaps using ADS eyebrow pencil. Going to prime my eyelids using the same concealer but the liquid formula so that the eyeshadows stick well without much fallouts. For the eye makeup, I am using Hilary Rhoda palette, the first 3 shades for the eye makeup as well as highlighting. Applying the pink shade to the outer corner and the crease of the lid. Applying the shimmery gold eyeshadow to the inner corner and blending it towards the center of the eyelid along with the pink eyeshadow. Repeating the same to my lower lash line area as well. Highlighting the eyebrow with the gold eyeshadow. Add the peach blush from the same palette to pop your cheekbones. Using the Infallible powder foundation from L'Oreal to my under eye and my T-zone area. Using Lakme eyeliner to line my eyelids, giving myself a winged look this Diwali. Rub the eyeliner if you have a spot on your face when wet. Rub it off using a dry tissue when the spot dries As I already had eyeliner on my eyelashes, I did not add mascara, just spread the eyeliner evenly over the lashes. This is actually a hack that I always do when I don't find or have my mascara. Using Maybelline Kajal to define my lower lash line. Using the white eyeshadows from the same palette, I like to highlight my cheekbones, my nose and my lips. Used baby lips to match my outfit and keep my lips blush tinted. And then to my favorite part, the bindi. Like all the times, my husband finishes my look with sindoor. My hairstyle is a simple twisted bun with my floral accessories. The link will be in the description. For the outfit, I have mismatched elements from two outfits, blouse and the skirt from my mehendi function, dupatta from a chudidar set. Hope you all liked my video. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more such videos. Have a happy and safe Diwali. Thank you.